Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Unice Hair. This is all of the goodies that they sent over in the package. So the wig that I'll be trying on today is the 24-inch drawstring V-part Yaki wig. This is what the V part looks like. They have clips around the V area, and then you have two clips on the side, you have a clip in the back, and then you have the adjustable band, and then you have a drawstring at the back, which is really cool because that helps so that the wig fits your head perfectly and you get the correct size. And it has this little piece on it, this little like circular piece, and you pull that down and it helps so that it can stay in place and it won't move once you get it to the correct size that you want it to be. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. I'm just unclipping the clips and then I'm going to clip it around my leave out. So I do have a side part, so you can do like a middle part or a side part. You just have to adjust the wig. So I just adjusted the wig and moved it over to the side that I wanted to be at. So I'm now just flat ironing my leave out section so that it can match the hair. It already is matching. This is the Yaki hair and this texture matches my hair perfectly. And I like the fact that I only needed a minimal amount of leave out. This is the upgraded V-line with the hair flip, so it just helps blend in with your hair seamlessly, so you don't have to have too much of your hair left out. So it has a very seamless and natural look. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the drawstring. Basically, you pull the drawstring to how tight you want to be, and that little black piece you're going to pull up, and then as you can see I'm tugging on it. It's not going to go anywhere, so I'm just like tucking it underneath my braid area, and now my wig is secure. This is a great feature because it fits to your head size and it makes it so that the wig isn't going to go anywhere. It is nice and secure. Okay, now I'm just going to flat iron the hair all over, just getting rid of any bumps or lumps or anything like that. Okay, now that my hair is flat ironed, I'm just gonna go in and cut layers and frame my face only in that front section so that it can just flow and it just looks a whole lot better. By the way, this hair can take temperatures of 420 to 450, so you definitely can use high heat. I use 450 because I just like to have high heat all the time anyway, and then I'm gonna have high heat whenever I curl it as well at the end. Okay y'all, so this is what the hair looks like when it's straightened. As you can see, it has a ton of body, it has a beautiful luster, you can see the shine and everything. It has a lot of movement, which I love. It looks really pretty, and I mean, can you even tell where my hair ends and where the V part begins? The hair just blends seamlessly, and you know, that's what we love. And I didn't have to use too much of my hair. I did not have to use a lot of leave out at all because of the way that they designed this wig and the way that they have the V part set up. Because of the way that they have the V part hair flip, that just makes it super easy for me to have a natural look. So it's super cute when it's straightened, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it is curled. So I'm just going to speed up the process. I'm curling my hair, going to the back on both sides, and you guys will see what it looks like when it's curled. Of course, it's beautiful both ways. Okay, now that my hair is all curled, I'm just going to run my fingers through it. Y'all know how I feel. I like the effortless curls, the soft curls, the voluminous bombshell curls. So I'm just running my fingers through it and everything, and then this is what it looks like when it's curled. Look at that. Yeah, slow motion for ya. Slow motion for ya. Really beautiful, really beautiful. I absolutely love it. You can't tell me this ain't no sew in. This literally took me a few minutes to install. It does not take any time at all, and it blends seamlessly with my hair. So I definitely recommend you guys make sure you check out the Unice website. I will have the links and everything down below in the description, and they did give me a big discount for my followers, so make sure you guys check that out. You guys know it's the holiday season, so they have sales going on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Step on the trip.